Now in this little video I will try to explain you how to make a powerful coughing remedy just out of wild plants, and which plants I'm using for this coughing medicine. You want to help Mama? Look, we will be gathering plantain, and it's exactly two types of plantain, broadleaf plantain, that if you turn, look Linda, if we turn it, we will see there are little strings. You see little strings? Little strings in the plantain. That's a broadleaf plantain. Yes, that's a broadleaf plantain. She's trying to play with me now, but I will try to finish this video anyway. So we're gathering or using broadleaf plantain at the same time with narrowleaf plantain. I will try to show you example of narrowleaf plantain. Both of these plantains are powerful with the same medicinal value. With the same medicinal value. You can see it was chopped, it was mowed down already. Doesn't matter. The main or the most important thing is that it was not sprayed, that this is a clean source. They don't spray here at all. Make sure it's a clean source because you're gonna make your medicine that you will be ingesting, taking internally, so that's what matters. The fact that it was moved down, it doesn't matter because I will just cut the edges. I will chop it finely and I will mix it either with sugar or with honey, and that will be sitting in a sunny place and a coughing syrup will be created. So this is a broadleaf plantain. I'm taking the whole leaves within the stems, and then when I get home I will clean it, I will dry it, I will make sure it's dry and not covered with water. And then I will prepare 1 glass jar, sterilized, nice and clean. Okay, you see here is a narrowleaf plantain. I will get ready glass jar, sterilized glass jar, and I will have all this plantain, two types of plantain, but as I said, use any kind of plantain you have available. I will chop it and I will start laying first with the plantain layer in the glass jar, cover with sugar. If you're using sugar, I will be using honey. Then again chopped plantain, chopped plantain, chop it. Chopped plantain, layer of chopped plantain, again layer of sugar, layer of chopped plantain, again layer of sugar, till you come up to the top of the glass jar. Okay, that at the end of the day you will actually cover with a sugar. So the last layer is the sugar layer. Make sure all plantain is covered with sugar or with honey. I will be doing everything with the honey, as I said, so I'm using honey. So layer of chopped plantain, layer of honey, raw honey, layer of chopped plantain, layer of raw honey, till I get to the top of my glass jar that I will cover with honey. Cover the glass jar with a cheesecloth, just with a cheesecloth for the moment, for 1 day, and let it sit for 24 hours. Till the following day. You will see the content will drop down and it will be probably 3/4 of it. So you can again fill it up. You can add more plantain leaves to it. Again, a layer of plantain and finish it with the layer of honey or sugar. So till you come to the top of the glass jar and cover with your honey or sugar. Then put I'm trying to find more plantain leaves. Then cover it with the lid and I let it sit in the windowsill for 2-3 weeks, and then I move it to the cooler place for another month or 2. Then within 2 months it's ready, your medicine is ready. I strain it all and I just keep it in the fridge or at a very cooler and dark place. That's the main or the most important thing. It has to be dark place. You will be surprised by the medicine value of this plantain coughing sugar that you're getting. There is another plantain here. You see the strings at the end? It's a great expectorant. If you're having a dry cough, if you can't cough or you're coughing and nothing is coming up, just keep taking this syrup every here and there. Let's say, I don't know, 4 or 5 times a day, 4 or 5 times a day, and by teaspoon. And you will see that you will start coughing. It will release your mucus from your chest, and it will heal you. Plantain is very powerful on its own. You can just use it in the respiratory tea blends. I make actually tincture from plantain plus more respiratory wild herbs, but plantain is number one. And plantain is number one, so it's great for respiratory tinctures, for coughing syrup, or it's great for your teas. Actually, I'm using it as the part of my salves. It heals skin. If you get bitten by any insect, by wasp or by bee, this is the first aid. What you do, you just chew up the leaf and place the whole lot and juice of it on the affected skin, and it will heal perfectly. There won't be any traces that you were stung by wasp or bee within few hours. Very fast, it will just disappear. So as you can see, it's multifunctional wild herb. It's so much powerful and so much valuable in the herbal medicine. See, there is another broadleaf plantain. So this is it. You can see that all you need is just plantain, any kind of plantain leaf, either a broadleaf or narrow leaf plantain, to have it nicely clean, and sugar or honey. I'm using honey, as I said. Glass jar, that's all. You will get beautiful plantain leaf syrup within few weeks that you can use the whole year round. And it's number one medicine when you can't cough, when you're coughing, when you have a dry cough, when you have chest irritation of the chest, when you have something sitting on your chest. So this is gonna move it all and help you heal it. So if you can, gather plantain and make your powerful medicine. Hope you like my video. This was just explanation how to make your medicine, but next video I will actually show you literally in the video how I'm making this syrup. So if you want to see me and if you want to see how this medicine is created in my kitchen, then watch me probably next week. And if you wish, you can leave some comments under this video, or you can just like it, or you can even share it wherever you wish. And I will be more than happy. That will be very nice answer or response from you. And I will be looking forward to making a new video on plantain leaf syrup in a reality in my kitchen. So you will see actually the final product, how it's meant to look like, and how I actually make it with my hands. Okay, so have a nice day, and see you next week. Bye.